ko nag-work, then nabalin ko July 2007 dito sa QC section, then niresign ko January 14, 2008, kaya nakatrabaho ko sa Mitsumi January 16. Bali, babae walang pahuway ni kay one day ang bakasyon para mabalhin sa Vegas na company. Then, I thought nag-apply ko as technician, na-hire ko as technician, then na-train ko as technician, pero nagtrabaho ko as a machinist. Mura akong mechanical, man nagpo akong braso kay dagko kay mga hintal dito akong kuhan nagsawag dito. Pero okay ra kay bisan machinist ko dito, pero ako ang sweldo pang technician o ang benefits pang technician. Mga to.
May gabi. Ako si Ria Gudito, Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering graduate sa Sigisca. Then, ang unang ko trabaho sa Bohol Wisdom School as computer teacher sa high school, first year to fourth year. And then, nag-handle ko of college. Na-estudyante na ko si Aldinet Esto. Then, karon presently connected ko sa Ocean Incorporated outsourcing company na ako, Canadian-based.
Good evening, I'm Gilbert Samuya, taga San Isidro, graduate of COM-A sa CDSCAP, classmate ni Ria. Then, after sa graduation, kandayan ko sa AWS, same company sa giingon ni Morse Ganiha, as Research and Development Engineer.
Good evening. Actually, 7 years na ko sa Tagbilaran, pero akong Bisaya agay gahapon. Anyway, I am Lisa Paginawan. I took up and finished Diploma in Industrial Technology in Sigiscaf, major in Food Technology. At present, wala pa ko nag-work kung sa accounting pa work in process na ko. Because I'm still studying HU. At actually, I'm a fourth year business and accountancy student. That's all.
Good evening, everyone. I am James Magallaon, computer engineering Sigiscaf. I'm currently employed at Convergys. My position is mentor on duty. I basically handle recursive trainings, technical calibrations, and that's it. So, I just a little advice for those upcoming graduates. Make sure that your mind is open, because I was shocked when I found out that there were things that even not technically inclined graduates or people na mas nakaibaw pa about internet or networking, very basic things that we still don't know about. So make sure you explore things and open up your mind. So that's it. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Ma'am Gina and DST for making us what we are right now. Have a good day.
Good evening, ako rin si Dennis De Los Reyes from Tabigon. Graduated the IT Electronics, then proceed to 1 year from BS. Currently, ako sa Lexmark, Kauman nila, then wala ko naman binakay. Ipangayon ko plate sa forum niya. O katagong kay Taginin mo na Lexmark, ma'am. Nag-first leave niya itong last months niya. Yeah, 2010 kay Punay Klaro. Pwede akong kalipay, pwede akong naka-attend ko karang gabi kay pagkakita na ko ni Chrissy kanina, wala si Boy, babasik, at si Miss Chrissy. Basik na kaya ka ni Boy ba? Or personal assistant. Ito ka lang. Wala pwede klaro akong 2010 nga ako kaya lang Lexmark. Itong mga Lexmark, basik masupo mo na ako. Nilagaan na kong binol. Kaya lang basik pan. Mangita na si Yorkline doon. Para si Yorkline.
Hello, good evening sa tanan. Hello, I'm Melvin Solia, computer engineering graduate sa Sigiscaf, and I'm currently working as a computer instructor in Sibiscap. So, pag-present nila ganiya, o kuro na nahikuit sa kilit. Estudyante na ni mo? Oo, estudyante na na ako. Pag-present nila o katong sa to, itong hip-hop na itong modern na tanaga po, estudyante ka ba na mo? Oo, estudyante ba na ako? Ala ang makita. Pag-present na itong Zorba to. Estudyante na mo? Oo, estudyante na ako. Pag-present na itong paper dance. Estudyante na mo? Bao, kinsa na sila? Okay, yun ito, saludo yung ninyo ito. Okay, ka-expect yung ito. But then, karon, I am taking my, at the same time, teach ko, I'm taking my master's degree in sa San Carlos, nga Isinyo based. Okay, that's all. Thank you.